Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present to you the new chapter of Her Mountain, Her Sea, chapter 67. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Chitang right now, she's been tied up. She was seeing her dead little brother, also her stepmother. Well, it was really cruel. Her father did this to them. Turns out her stepmother is betraying her father, and the little brother is not her real brother because she betrayed her. Knowing everything about this, of course, her father, he was really furious. That's why she did things like this. And now, it really get vanished. And poor Chitang, right now, she got extremely fear. She said to herself that stop it. But her father is still doing it. Until her father want to clean the mess. Why can't I wipe it clean? Why can't I wipe it clean? Now, he's really turning mad. He's been swiping, but mess is not removing. That's why her father is really getting angry. Chitang said to her father, I didn't see anything just now. Dad, you didn't eliminate any people. What do you know? It's all that girl's fault. It's not my son. It's not my son. So this is the real reason why his father is really raging. Because he discovered that the little brother is not her real son. That's why he was really furious. And now, to his madness, he really did bad things to them. It was she who lied to me that's why I eliminated her. You are my daughter. You can tell anyone about it, okay? Otherwise, I will eliminate you also. Oh, this is bad. Chitang, someone may help her. Her father is really losing her control. It was raining at that night, and Chitang, she was still not moving. Also, she was not eating. She's been tied up in the house, confined to them, because her dad is really afraid someone might caught him. Right now, Yuyu, she got really bothered. Why don't you reply to my message? Yuyu said to herself. Well, it's not typically Chitang. She will always reply to her. But right now Yuyu is wishing that she won't have any conflict with her father again because she knows that Chitang and her father is always arguing. Right now, sending her a message, Chitang, she really won't reply to her. Have you woken up? Have you had dinner? No, it's whole day. Chitang is not replying to her. It turns out Chitang, she was really tied up in the house. Now, she really wake up on the next day. Her phone is ringing. Chitang, of course, she can really answer the phone. Well, Chitang, when she wake up, she really feels weak. Now, she said to herself that I'm not died yet. Well, she really lost her consciousness because she was really feared about her father doing last night. I didn't want to eliminate her. Who knew she would so easily? Right now, her father is really restless. She dumb. And I am doing. Right now, her father, you should find a way to throw it away. Well, how can she eliminate? Of course, it's really hard to find a way how to dispose that thing. Right now, her father's no. Chitang phone is ringing, and it turns out it was Yuyu who was calling her. It was the next day, and of course, Yuyu, she must really worried about her. Hearing the notifications right now, her father crashed her phone. He stepped on the phone and it really crashed in instant. Her father is really getting crazy. Turns out there's a neighbor outside. Is there anyone? Is there anyone in the house? Now, it turns out good neighbor is really concerned about what's happening. Right now, they went through the house. Wait, it's next door's neighbor. Right now, she really need to make a noise so they can able to hear them. She really want to escape, that's why she's banging everything her body is been through. But right now, the two neighbors. Ah, there's really someone. I said that Xiaosu should take care of the children at home at this time. Well, seems the two old couple is really concerned. Will there be anything? Maybe they really been worried, especially the children's cry. But Chitang's father said, "Go away, don't be annoying at my door." Oh, it turns out Chitang's father wants them to leave. They have no concern about this life. But the two old couples seems to be worried. That's why they really came in. Also right now, they really feel suspicious. Their father said, "What do you mean? Do you want to eliminate your father, don't you?" Now her father is looking at her with a evilish look. "Chitang hasn't replied to my news for 2 days." Yuyu said to herself. She was practicing so she can compete. Right now something happened. Someone was calling her. "What? Chitang?" Mr. Guest seems to be surprised. Yuyu stood up and she wanted to go and run to Mr. Ke. Well, she really want to know what's happening. That's why she really want to rush through. On the other hand, Yuyu, the teacher, is now going back to Nanling by car. Can you take the car alone to compete? Oh, it makes sense to Yuyu. Right now, she really surprised. "Mr. Ke, did Chitang have an accident?" Seems to be worried, and right now, of course, she really want to know what will happen to Chitang. Was Chitang something happened to her at home, which more is complicated, and she is now in the hospital. Still, you can feel like this. "No, Mr. K, I will go back with you, and let's go now, since Chitang is more important to her than the competitions. Of course, you right now." Nanlin Hospital. Now, she's been really confined. Yuyu asked the officer if she can go inside and see Chitang. When she came in, her father eliminated the family and the neighbor called the police just to stop. They caught him in the house and Chitang is also there and stops her from going outside. Hearing this, of course, Yuyu, she got really worried and also really concerned about Chitang. The child is being ignored and we can contact her mother. Now, Yuyu. Right now, seeing her lying on the bed. Yuyu, she feels the suffer of Chitang. There's a lot of scratch on it. It's really the indications that she was really suffer a lot. Some scratch on the face, and it's really visible to her. Looking at it, Yuyu, right now, she was really in shock. She can really feel the pain and suffering of Chitang. Well, let's really hope that Chitang can really heal from this suffering. Also from emotional. Let's see what will happen on next chapter. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. If you want to support the channel, you can join by clicking the join membership button. Bye!